Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to turn on the auto backup photos option on your Google Photos mobile application. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to turn on the auto backup option on your mobile on your Google Photos. So first of all, click on this icon on the top, your profile. Now you will see this option, backup is off. Keep your photos and safe by backupping them. You just click on this, turn on the backup, and you can also see the storage, account storage. It's only used 825 MB of 15 GB storage. Just click on this, turn on backup, and now it says keep your memory safe, and it will shows your mail ID. If you want to change, you can change on the clicking on this on the top of the thing, and you can just change the mail ID. You will have a two option: do not backup or turn on the backup. Click on this, turn on the backup. Now you can see now the backupping is sorted. You can next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.